the Riverside project would at some point give a direction to the rest of the Calcutta people that the river should become part of our living rooms. It should not be our backyard.
Forget regular projects. Real estate in this country, never been done like it.
We will make this project in such a way that any Bengali, any Calcuttan will be happy that yes, I think I have found my land and my home.
5 years later, we'll be able to walk away from this with a sense of satisfaction and a sense of perhaps pride instead of just looking at this as a business.
Just take time off, cross the railway overbridge, come into a paradise. Come, be part of a dream, buy into it, believe in it, and I'm sure you will never walk back from the railway overbridge.
সোহাগ ছড়ায় ফোটে ফুল